Okay, now we will discuss 12 lead ECG. Before we go into details of different leads, etc., first we will need to know what's the difference between an electrode and a lead. Some people really confuse it. So this confusion must be eliminated so that we can understand the ECG better. Electrode is a piece of equipment, for example suction cup, placed on skin for receiving the electrical signal. So electrode is something that is placed on the skin for receiving the electrical signal, while lead is a graphical picture of the heart. The graph we receive from that electrode is called lead. It may be obtained from one or more electrodes at a time. So this is the difference between electrode and lead, which you need to keep in mind. Lead is a graphical picture of the heart. The graph that is formed is called lead, and electrode is just an equipment placed on the skin for receiving the electrical signal. Now in a 12 lead ECG, we have 6 limb leads and 6 chest leads. If we get the ECG only from these 6 limb leads, then it is called a standard ECG. And if we also add 6 chest leads with it, then it is called 12 lead ECG. Chest leads are also called precordial leads because they are present on precordium. So now we will first see the 6 limb leads and then we will see the 6 chest leads. Now we will see the 6 limb leads that are a component of 12 lead ECG. Suppose this is the person, this is his heart, these are his arms and legs. 4 electrodes are placed, or 3 are placed, one on the right hand, one on the left hand, one on the right leg, one on the left leg. These electrodes are either labeled right arm, right leg, left leg, or they are color coded. Their color code is red, yellow, green, black. For example, the right arm electrode will always be red, the left arm electrode will be yellow, right leg electrode will be black, which is actually a neutral electrode as it does not catch the electric signal but is used for grounding purposes, and the left leg electrode will be green. You can remember these colors by the mnemonic read your good book, red, yellow, green, black. So these are 4 electrodes that are placed on the skin, and usually a gel is applied and then this electrode is attached to the skin for good conduction. Now these are electrodes. The electrode story is finished. Now we will come toward leads. How 6 leads are formed. Lead 1 is formed between these 2 electrodes and it sees the heart from this direction, from the direction where positive is present. Lead 2 will see heart from this direction, the vector will be in this direction, and it is present between these 2 electrodes, red and green. Lead 3 is present between these 2 electrodes and it sees the heart from this direction. The head is the direction where your eye is. If here is the vector head, it is seeing the heart from this direction. It is all maths, but all you need to know is that from which direction a lead is looking at the heart. It is looking at the heart vertically. Vertically means from above, from below, from sides, etc. in the coronal plane. So lead 1 is looking at the heart from left side. Lead 2 is looking from bottom. Lead 3 is also looking from bottom. But lead 2 is looking from left bottom and lead 3 is looking from right bottom. These 3 leads, lead 1, lead 2 and lead 3, these are called bipolar leads because they are using 2 electrodes to catch the signal. Then there are unipolar leads, AVR, AVL and AVF. A means augmented and R means right arm, augmented lead of left, augmented lead of foot, right left foot. These catch signal from single electrodes, therefore they are called unipolar leads, and they see heart from this direction, from this direction and from this direction. So the AVF will see heart from foot direction, the AVL will see heart from left side, the AVR will see heart from right side. So electrodes are 3 but leads are 6. 3 of them are bipolar leads, 3 of them are unipolar leads. Bipolar catches signals from 2 electrodes, unipolar catches signal from 1 electrode at a time. The main thing to remember in this whole discussion is that from which side a lead is looking at the heart. If this is the heart, lead 1 is looking it from this side. From this side, this is the eye. This is the eye for lead 1. Lead 2, it is looking in this direction, from this side. Lead 3 is looking it from this direction. Similarly, these 3 leads are looking it from right, left and bottom. So this is what you have to remember, from which side a lead is looking at the heart. And it is all in vertical plane, in coronal plane. For example, if something is wrong in the bottom portion of the heart, the reading in the AVF will be affected. If something happens in the left portion of the heart, the reading in AVL will be, the graph in AVL will be affected. So this is the rationale behind it. Now we will see 6 chest leads. These are pretty straightforward. All the 6 leads are present on the precordium or front of the chest. The first is placed in the 4th intercostal space on the right side of the sternum. Second is placed in the 4th intercostal space on the left side of the sternum. Fourth is placed in the 5th intercostal space in the mid clavicular line. Third is placed in between those. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth electrode is placed in the 5th intercostal space, and 6th is also present in the 5th intercostal space, but it is placed on the anterior axillary line and it is placed in the mid axillary line. So these electrodes are seeing the heart from a horizontal angle. They are seeing the heart from cross-sectional angle or from horizontal plane. V1 and V2 is seeing the right side of the heart. V3 and V4 it is seeing the interventricular septum. V5 and V6 it is seeing the left side of the heart. Regarding their placement, I will repeat. First lead is placed in the 4th intercostal space on the right side of the sternum. Second is placed in the 4th intercostal space in the left side of the sternum. Fourth electrode is placed in the mid clavicular line in the 5th intercostal space. Third is placed in between 2 and 4. Similarly, 5th and 6th is also placed in the 5th intercostal space in the mid axillary line and in the anterior axillary line. 5th is placed in the anterior axillary line, 6th is placed in the mid axillary line. So the chest leads are pretty straightforward, and they are single unipolar leads which receive electrical signals